Friends, we now have a beta that enables you to store highly sensitive data inside HubSpot. This includes financial information like full bank account numbers. This is very sensitive stuff, and it completes our work on allowing you to store all kinds of sensitive data inside of HubSpot. So I just want to give you a quick tour of all those features so you can see what they look like. So here I am on my settings page. If you come to privacy and consent, you'll see this sensitive data area. And one thing I really like is you can check recommendations. If you're a solution party or other third-party access, if you're thinking about HubSpot employee access, which you can turn on and off, automatic association, super admin access, these are all things you should consider, and there are buttons to manage all these things right here. But then if you come into edit sensitive data settings, you're going to come in here and you're going to say what types of sensitive data you are storing. So the most basic one is just personal sensitive data. This is things like ethnicity, gender, age, religion, sexual orientation, last 4 digits of government issued identification. Financial data is the new one. It excludes, you can't put full credit debit card numbers in here, and you can't use it for processing payments. But if you want to put a full bank account in here, you can do that. And then health and medical data is the third category. And if you are a HIPAA covered entity, then you need to check this box and agree to our business associate agreement. So we'll go ahead and turn these on, and we're going to accept the terms. And now, if I go and create some properties, I'm going to see some additional options as I create them. So I'm going to create a new property here. And if we set the field type to, say, single line text, we can come to this sensitive data section, and we can say, is this sensitive or is it highly sensitive? And we're going to say it's highly sensitive. Maybe this is, a bank account number. And we could set some rules. Maybe we know a bank account is exactly 10 characters, right? And it is only numbers, right? We can do this, and we can have this ready to go. We'll put it in group here. I don't know, how about test group here, and we can save that. Now, when you have highly sensitive data stored in HubSpot, it looks a little different from other properties, and I think this is the coolest part of the whole thing. So if we come to a contact here real quick, we'll just open not Kyle. And if we go find that bank account property I just created, which will be tucked away in all properties, you'll be able to see what interacting with this looks like. So we'll just click on bank account, right? That's what I called it. And look, this is currently blank. We know it is because I haven't put any values here anywhere, but it always looks like this star value. You can't tell whether it has a value or not. You can't tell how long the value, you can't tell what the value is unless you click this show value button. And that just registered in the audit log that I have viewed this highly sensitive value for this particular property. We now have an audit trail for that. And if we're putting a bank account in here, we can save that. And that is going to be masked, and this is all very secure. It's specially encrypted because it's a highly sensitive property. Everything you need to store highly sensitive properties are now here in HubSpot. Storing sensitive data is an enterprise feature. Highly sensitive data, including that financial information, is now in beta. Everything else is fully live. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.